Hi guys, it's one of my favorite recipes because it's delicious, cheap, minimum products and easy to make. No eggs at all. If you like it too, please subscribe for more recipes and like the video. Do not forget to click on the bell button. So put 200 grams of butter or margarine into a bowl. Add 2.5 cups of wheat flour and mix with a fork. Add a pinch of salt. Mix again and then add 1 cup of kefir or a buttermilk or sour cream, whatever you have at home, like something like that. Add a half of teaspoon of Slaked food soda. To make a Slaked food soda, you should add vinegar in a food soda. I'm mixing a half of teaspoon of food soda and a half of teaspoon of vinegar in the same cup that I used for kefir. You can use a clean glass. In this video, I'm putting twice more of everything than in original recipe, so you will have less pastry than you see in this video. Soda is foaming because I added vinegar in food soda. Now it's a Slaked soda. This way it should be. Mix everything with a fork and then with your hands. You can listen to the music while you're doing this. Put the pastry on a board, dust it with flour so the pastry will not stick to the board. Again, you will have twice less pastries than you see in this video. The pastry easily mixed. In the end, it looks like that. Leave it for 30 minutes in the fridge while you will make a filling. For filling, take 100 grams of butter and cut it in small pieces. To make it easier, you can take butter out of the fridge in the very beginning when you just start making your pastry. Put 1 cup of sugar in a bowl and mix with a fork, with the flour. I like to listen to music while I am baking. Do you? Write a comment, please. Add the butter and mix again. Use your fingers to squeeze pieces of butter to make them smaller. It does not have to be a homogeneous mass. You just need to make pieces smaller and evenly spread it in the sugar flour mix. In the end, it looks like this, like sandy mass. Take out the pastry from the fridge, put a part of it on a flour board and roll it out. You can make a thick layer 15 millimeters or a thinner layer around 8 millimeters, but do not make it too thin. If you make less than 5 millimeters, the filling may get out of the pastry when you will be baking. So put a filling on the pastry, evenly spreading. Roll the pastry, closing up the ends tight and along the finished line so the filling will not come out in oven. Close the pastry tight so no filling will escape. It's important. Oil a baking sheet. I use sunflower oil. Put the rolls on the sheet and then put it in oven. Temperature about 225 Celsius and time about 30-35 minutes, but you need to adjust temperature and time according to the size of the rolls and your oven. Just check it time to time. Yeah, it's ready. Crusty outside, melting inside. It's so good, it's so delicious, especially if you have it with tea or hot chocolate. You can check my recipes. Enjoy yourself. Do not forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching.